Silver lining. It means hope in difficulty. For example, even in failure, look for the silver lining. Elephant in the room. It means a big issue everyone avoids talking about. For example, money problems are often the elephant in the room. Hit the hay. It means to sleep. For example, after studying, she finally hit the hay. Bent out of shape. It means to become very upset or angry. For example, don't get bent out of shape over small things. Driving me bananas. It means making me crazy or annoyed. For example, his silly questions are driving me bananas. Under the weather. It means feeling unwell or sick. For example, she stayed home because she was under the weather. A closed book. It means a person or subject hard to understand. For example, advanced math is still a closed book for many students. Against the clock. It means racing to finish something quickly. For example, we're working against the clock to meet the deadline. Cat out of the bag. It means revealing a secret. For example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Diamond in the rough. It means a valuable person with hidden potential. For example, the young player is a diamond in the rough. Early bird gets the worm. It means people who act early get success. For example, arrive early for interviews. The early bird gets the worm. Head over heels. It means to be deeply in love. For example, he fell head over heels for her at first sight. Knocked on my heels. It means very surprised or shocked. For example, we were knocked on our heels by the announcement. Jumping through hoops. It means going through a lot of effort. For example, we're jumping through hoops to meet all the requirements. Make a beeline for. It means to go straight to a specific place. For example, the kids made a beeline for the ice cream shop. Meeting of the minds. It means strong instinctive agreement. For example, after hours of talking, we finally had a meeting of the minds. Neck and neck. It means very close in competition. For example, the two runners were neck and neck till the finish line. No skin off my nose. It means it won't harm or affect me. For example, whether he wins or loses, it's no skin off my nose. Not playing with a full deck. It means not being mentally capable or sane. For example, anyone who trusts that scam is not playing with a full deck. Off the beaten path. It means far from regular or popular places. For example, we found a beautiful village off the beaten path. Over the hill. It means getting old. For example, he jokes that he's over the hill after turning 50. Bring home the bacon. It means earn money to support the family. For example, he works hard to bring home the bacon. Crocodile tears. It means fake or insincere tears. For example, they showed crocodile tears to escape punishment. Falling on deaf ears. It means being ignored or not listened to. For example, the teacher's words fell on deaf ears. Jumping the gun. It means starting too early. For example, she often jumps the gun and regrets it later.